ATM in this video will be analyzing and forecasting the market for gold from a technical perspective for 28 and 29 September. So let's begin. We are currently on in 1 hourly chart, and here we have drawn an resistance zone which has been respected by the market since 9th July, or was created by the market some around 8 July, and till 17 July we have seen consecutive retest towards this particular resistance zone. However, we did see a breakthrough above, and now currently what we can analyze on in 1 hourly chart is that the market is currently retesting this particular resistance zone, which have now turned into an support zone. As expected in our weekly forecast, or as signal given in our weekly forecast, we are expecting higher high momentum entering in the market. If we see a break through this particular descending channel which we have spotted. Do watch the video till the end, as I will be giving both signals where we could place our long and short with our stop losses and take profit. So this would be our particular resistance zone for the descending channel from some around 1878 till some around 1837. And this would be the particular support from some around 1861 till some around 1828. Coming on to the resistance perspective, we have seen that the market has quite significant, or quite many times we have seen in retest towards this resistance zone some around 28 September, and now recently on 28 September we have seen in retest. Now coming on to the support zone, we have seen quite 3 times the market did retest this particular support zone on 24th September, on 25th September, and on 25th September again. Now coming on the trading opportunities, we are more bullish for the market, and we can expect that the market is consolidating around this particular area of some around 1873 till some around 1847. And now what we can expect is an higher high momentum entering in the market if we see a breakthrough of market on this resistance trend line and this particular support trend line which we have drawn in the red. Thus, if we see that the market did close above 1868, that would be a great opportunity to go long, with our entry trigger point would be some around 1864 till 1868, with our stop losses would be placed some around 1856, just below this particular resistance zone, with our take profit of some around 1887. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.9, approx 1:2. Now coming on the bearish scenario, we would be only and only bearish if we see that the market did close on an 4 hourly or on an 1 day chart below 1844 till 1842. We would wait for the market to retest towards the support zone, turning into an resistance. That would be our entry trigger point for going short some around 1848, with our stop losses placed just above the support, just above the resistance trend line of this descending channel some around 1857, with our take profit of this particular support zone of this descending channel of some around 1837. With that said, if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing. If you like the video, do like, share and comment below. Thanks for watching.